In today's lesson, introductories are sequences and series. Trukutanga with a quote from James Joyce. He was a novelist, and one of the books he wrote, cannot one of his works, called Ulysses, is regarded one of the best works of English literature. So the quote reads, "I am tomorrow or some future day. What I establish today, I am today what I established yesterday or some previous day." So you can extract any moral lesson from this. So when we look at mathematics, you are going to soon discover that mathematics, as it becomes more advanced, it takes a certain form. And the form which mathematics, like, let us say it's a limit, and so this is the limit of mathematics. And this is gonna limits. So if we are to consider, for example, the limit of mathematics, it is going to approach patterns. And samchaona kuti maths dzinotanga dziri heavily centered on numbers. Kubva ku grade 0 up to grade 7, form 1 up to form 6. Zvinhu zvizhinji, they are numbers. But at some point, my numbers anoita achisiwa zvishoma nezvishoma, tichiapproacha ma symbols, ma notations. But ma symbols nema notations esaya tinenge tichimastudy under the auspices of patterns. And an example, kana kuri kuti muroda kungotarisawo into the future, if you are going to be mathematicians at one point, munogona kungoita a very small research pane inonzi fractal geometry. Very beautiful patterns which you are going to be studying. Saka this topic now, sequence and series, sort of this is a window into your future as mathematicians. It introduces you to the mathematics of patterns, the mathematics of symbols, notations, and another example hapo, even though it's physics, but mukada kutsvaga anonzi Maxwell equations, kana kuti any equation, Schrodinger's equation, ku quantum mechanics, manumbers anenge ari mashoma zvakanyanya. So this is a very important topic kana muine aspirations ekuita mathematics in your future. Doing mathematics involves finding patterns and crafting beautiful and meaningful explanations out of those patterns. Sequences and series are jointly used to study number patterns of different perspectives. Saka, as is with every topic, we have to have a working understanding of the definitions of terms. Kana kuti definition of terms. Andiri. So let us define our terms. Number 1, what is a sequence? Kana chitaura pamusoro pe sequence, tiri kuti this is used to describe an array of numbers following a specific order or pattern, for example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Saka a sequence is basically an array of numbers following a specific order or pattern. But munogona kuzvidana muchiti with a specific relationship. Like that. That's a sequence. Array of numbers following a specific order or pattern, kana kuti with a specific relationship. Let us give an example. Tekati 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so forth. Tinotoziva relationship here, that array of numbers. We know kuti these are multiples of 2. Like this. Saka a sequence angozi manamba anyorwa randomly. And even though if you are interested in computer science, there is a theory which says no system can generate random numbers. Kuroti kana maybe tikaenda pa Excel tikaita input a function yekugenerate random numbers, we do not necessarily get random numbers. Kurova kuti tikatora any system, a computer system, kana kuti vanhu, take 100 people, tell them think of any one digit number, then you record them. If you study those numbers, they have a pattern, and those taura a certain theory in computer science, you can follow after it. But let us say kuti, what I'm trying to say is a sequence has my random numbers, asina a noticeable, a specific order or pattern. A sequence should have a specific order. This is very important. A specific pattern, a specific relationship, like what we have here. Saka sometimes the order, kana kuti the pattern, the relationship is obvious, like tikati 1, 2, 3, 4 and so forth. We know kuti these are counting numbers and it's a sequence. But sometimes the order can be sort of kuvigwa. For example, tinogona kuti 1, 2, 3, 5 and so forth. This is called Fibonacci, the Fibonacci sequence, where my number 2 ari kutegedzana anoedana achitipa the next number. Saka 1 plus 1 ndi 2, tika 2 plus 3 ndi 5, tikazoti 3 plus 5 towana 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a sequence. Ingori list rema number, but manamba anenge aine order, pattern, ne relationship. Then secondly, number 2, when we talk about a series, and panapa ndoda kuti muite not relationship iri panapa. When we talk about a series, we are basically talking about the sum of numbers in a sequence. Saka tikaedha manamba ari mu sequence, ndipo patinowana series. Mapaona? Saka an example would just be, for our first sequence, it's 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and so forth. For our next one, ngeri 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so forth. Then for the last one, it's 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus so forth, like that. So a sequence, order, pattern, relationship of a list of numbers. A series adding those numbers in a sequence. Okay, when we introduced this topic, tataura pamusoro pe patterns atichazoita as we develop and become more advanced in mathematics. But when we are talking about patterns, we are going to be the most interested in notations. Saka, let us talk about notation used in the computation of sequence and series. Saka, we have a certain notation. Tichazoona patichapinda into our first type of sequence. Notation yakakosha. Panapa we are just going to list it down. I trust and believe that you'll be taking down notes, and from those notes you are going to extrapolate the importance of this. Saka, the first one is tikati u na n. Panapa tinenge tichirefer to the nth term. Mapaona. Saka, we have a sequence. For example, sequence yedu ngatishandise yatatishandisa 2, 4, 6, 8 and so forth. Saka, panapa tikati u, for example, u3, tikureva the third term. Saka n inoi inenge chirefer to the position of the term in the sequence. Saka u3 inge equal to chi panapa to 6. Ko u1 equal to 2. Ko tikazoti u5 inge equal to chi 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like this. Saka un refers to the nth term. Iyo n yacho ichi refer to a position in a sequence. Saka position of the term in the sequence. Like that. Okay. Saka that's un and also n. Let us go further. A represent the first term. Kana chiti A tukutara pamsoro pe first term. Correct from our example, A inge equal to 2. Kana chiti L it will represent the last term. Correct from our example, A what is it's infinite, because this is not closed, this is an open sequence. Inoramba ichungoenda. Saka L in that case is infinite. But we can kuri kuti tanga tanyora yakadai so tinotenderwa zvakare kuti sequence yedu idai like this. For example, L panapa inge equal to 12. Saka kana sequence yedu yakadai so, which in set notation would be written as 2 included and but infinite, it's always like this. Saka that will be set notation. Saka kuti L is infinite, but in this case L is not a definite number. Okay. Saka tichibva panapa tina D. D ano represent a common difference. That is what D represents, common difference. Then again tina R ano represent a common ratio. So this is the sequence. This is like notation to shandisa sequences and series. You should put it down, write it down, so that you can benefit from it. So atakuda kuchita panapa ndora basa racho manje. We are going to look at types of sequences. But when we look at the types of sequences, you should know that we have 2 types. Tine inonzi arithmetic progression. Toita inonzi geometric progression. Saka musavhundutswa ne the word progression, because ndipo panobva the word progress. Saka as we have seen from our example of a sequence, there is some form of a progress. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can talk about the Fibonacci. There is also some form of progress. 1, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. You can talk about something like this. You should know that it's permissible. Inogona kuita ascend. A sequence can be ascending, cannot a sequence can be descending. Saka we are studying how a sequence is progressing. Remember tataura tichiti a sequence has to have a specific order, pattern and relationship. Koroti we should be able to study it. Saka pakustada tikutarisa kuti how are the numbers progressing. Ma numbers ari kuenderera mberi sei. Saka we have a situation where my numbers anoendera mberi arithmetic progression. We have a situation where my numbers anoenderera mberi geometric progression. So in this particular lesson, kuti tisaita overwhelm you, we are going to be focusing on arithmetic progression. In our next lesson, we look at geometric progression, then we advance with our topic. So let us double down on arithmetic progression. As concerning arithmetic progression, we can abbreviate it AP. And an AP is a sequence in which the difference between any pair of successive terms is uniform. Saka tiri kutaura kuti arithmetic progression, this is a sequence where the difference, cannot the common difference, but let us just say difference between two. This is a very important word, successive. Kana kuti in layman terms, following numbers. Kana kuti panapa more technically tinoti terms is uniform. So in this definition, before we introduce an example which illustrates what we are talking about, tiri kuti a sequence is where the difference, saka we define a sequence by the common difference. Kana kuti the difference between two successive terms. Saka nchiti successive terms, kutaurisa ma terms ari kuteverana. Example 2, 4, 6, 8 and so forth. Saka 2 na 4 ndo ma terms ari kuteverana. 4 also teverana na 6, 6 achiteverana na 8. Those are the successive terms. The difference between them should be uniform. Kuroti panapa tikati 4 minus 2 turikuwana 2. Aya ari kuteverana. Totarisa 4 na 6, tikati 6 minus 4 turikuwana 2. Tikati 8 minus 6 turikuwana 2 and so forth. Saka because there is the common difference is uniform between two successive or following numbers or terms, that then means there and there that we are dealing with arithmetic progression. We can also look at another example. Let us say we have a sequence yakadai so 100. Remember that sequence inogona kunge ichidona descending or ascending. Saka 100, 95, 90, 85. This is what we have. Kana chida kutesta kuti what is the type of progression? Is it arithmetic? Is it geometric? Kana chida kutest out what is the type of sequence? Is it arithmetic? Is it geometric? We are going to be subtracting 95 minus 100. Turn out it's minus 5. 90 minus 95. Turn out it's minus 5. And 85 minus 90, turn out minus 5. So because trikuana the common difference D iri uniform, zvinoreva kuti we have what? An arithmetic progression. Mapaona. But pakutsvaga the common difference, there's something you should know. So the common difference yatambo define connotation kuya iri equal to tinoti proceeding term, izongoroti term iri kumberi, minus preceding term, zvoreva kuti term iri kunyasi, if you may. Saka this is a formula, kana kuti relation you should commit to mind and heart. Tukureva kuti tichangoti iri kumberi minus iri kumasure. Ndo zvataita panapa, ndo zvataita futi panapa. Saka common difference yacho proceeding term subtracting preceding term. Mapaona. That's arithmetic progression for you. But asata pedza tofangwa kuenda kuma notations aya kuti tino understand something. Saka what we have to know from arithmetic progression in now here the nth term and it. Saka nth term tinoiwana sei? Tokureva kuti atina kuudzwa specifically which term are we concerned with. We just want to know what the nth term is going to be. Saka the nth term un and inenge equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Don't worry about my formula aya. For now, just write them in your notes. We are going to apply them very soon. So that is how we find the nth term. Let us give an example. Example yedu nde let us use something common. Saka example yedu yakadai so. Let us say we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and so forth. Kwese ni rule out titsvage the 10th term. Saka pamaterms apa tinoziva kuti iyi ndiyo first term, iyi iri second, third, fourth. Saka todaziva kuti ko term yechi10 inenge imbori chi. Saka for 2, 4, 6, 8 and you can just say ndinongoti ka 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. It's easy. But kodeno tanga tati the 100th term. That's an example. Oro kana tashandisa a sequence which is not so obvious. Saka tukuzoti answer yedu ndi 20 but we want to apply that. Saka pakuapply izo tichita say tinoti tikuda the 10th term u10 andiri is equal to a represent chi the first term which is 2 plus todai n iri represent chi 10 because n represent the position of a term in a sequence. Saka n 10 minus 1 d i common difference yatati tinoti number iri kumberi minus iri kumashure. Saka panapa tatoudzwa kuti it's arithmetic progression. Saka changoti 4 minus 2 which is 2. Saka times 2 like this. Kureva kuti this is going to be equal to 2 plus 10 minus 1 d 9 multiplying 2 which is actually 2 plus 18 which is 20. That is the answer we are going to get. Tika enda ku that for our example number 2. Tika enda ku 100, 95, 90, 85. Tika nstitsvage the 6th term. Ingeri u6 is equal to a first term up and 100 plus then n tongotora this number which is 6 subtracting 1 times d the common difference panapa taona kuti ndi minus 5 like that. Saka this is equal to 100 plus 6 minus 1 totanga nezvinhu zviri brackets remember. So 6 minus 1 is 5 apapo it's minus 5 tozo multiply 100 then minus 5 times 5 then d minus 25. Saka apa inobva ingova minus 25 which is giving us 75 like that. So that is how we find the nth term kana iri arithmetic progression. Hamsati makuita real analysis which is a branch in mathematics which asks everything. It's more philosophical than it is mathematical, where you have to prove that formula. Kana muri inquisitive yenyu, a quick YouTube or Google search can take you to a proof of that formula. But as per the demands of your syllabus, you are not required to prove that formula. Mufonga kuiziva. And you can check in your formula booklets. I'm not sure kana irimo, kana taimo, I don't know. But you just have to know it for now. Okay. So that is how we calculate the nth term. Todaziva kuti ko kana tina 2468 ko number each million ingerichi. You cannot count by hand kusvika pa million unless you are some nuthead or something. Okay. Saka for our B takuda kuziva sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Saka ya series manje. How do we determine sum of n terms? We have two formulae. Yekutanga inoti the sum of n terms is equal to n over 2 and it if I so you 2a plus n minus 1d. Iyi inogona kunyorwa yakadai so: Sn, sum of n is equal to n over 2. I think this is the easier version, a plus l. That's it. Ndo mafomula yenyu ari 2 aya. Inangu yakuti prefer iri easier, but manje ine limitation yekuti kana tisina kupiwa l tinoita sei. So mufanga kumasiva ese ari 2. Tiri kutsvaga the sum of n terms. For example, the sum of the first 4 terms in the above sequence is given as. Okay, so let us have an example panapa. Example yedu, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. And saka kana kwese nichida sum of first 4 terms. Panapa it's as easy as saying toda the summation of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Apa ndatongo ita overcomplicate. Turungo add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Tinowana chi 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tinowana 20. But can we find this by use of formula? Saka panapa nchati m1 for method 1. Dashandisa the long formula. So the sum of the first 4 terms in get equal to once n over 2. Kurawa kuti apa it's 4 over 2. And it 2 times a is the first term, saka 2 times 2 plus n d4. So it's 4 minus 1, common difference in the 2. Tono tinobuda. Saka panapa 4 into 2 ndi 2. 2 times 2 ndi 4 plus 4 minus 1 ndi 3 times 2 ndi 6, like this. And as you can see, this is 2 times 6 plus 4 ndi 10. We are getting 20. Yabuda. For our method number 2, the sum of the first 4 terms in ngeri equal to n over 2, which is 4 over 2, a into 2 plus last term in our case the 8. So 2 into 2 into 1 into 4 into 2. So I hope makatarisa ma formula acho pandru kuma apply panapa. So this is 2 plus 8. To mean 2, 8 plus 2 into 10. We are still getting. Saka maona chirunguka. Ma formula anoshanda. Lastly, let us do our last example. Gatishandi say that sequence at a P100, 95, 90, 85. Toda kuziva the sum of the first 4 terms. Toda tangata shandisa n over 2 2a plus n minus 1d, which means pana n paruya 4 kappa 4 over 2 multiplying the first term a in the 100 plus upwards 4 minus 1 and common difference in the minus 5. This saka 4 into 2 into 2 times 100, that's 200 plus up 4 minus 1 into 3 multiplying minus 5, like this. So this is equal to 2, then 200 minus 5 times 3, 5, 10, 15. So it's minus 15, like that. And if you solve this further, mchawana 370. Try to add 100 plus 95 plus 90 plus 85. You are going to discover that is the answer you are going to get. If we are interested in a method number 2, and where we are saying the sum of the first 4 terms in get equal to n over 2 a plus l. Saka n panapandean the 4 over 2 a in the 100 plus l rg l r 85. Saka this is simply 2 multiplying 185, which of course gives us 370. 70. So this concludes our lesson for the day. Taita arithmetic progression, you should understand its ins and outs, so that patinoita geometric progression, you won't confuse things. Take care and thank you.